friends, thanks for joining me. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a detoxifying berry face mask. It's super easy, just a few ingredients, and I'm pretty positive you'll have most of them in your refrigerator or in your cabinet. Super easy, and I know you guys will love it.
Hey guys, let's get started. So in a mortar and pestle, I have about a tablespoon and a half of fresh ripe blueberries. Following that, I am adding 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And after the baking soda, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of fresh made cucumber juice. I made this in my juicer a little while ago. Following the cucumber juice, we have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, followed by 2 tablespoons of water. All right, I'm gonna mix that together and try and get a thicker consistency for my mask. As you can see, it wasn't thick enough, so I added another tablespoon of blueberries, just trying to thicken it up. All right, guys, well, I'm working that in, and that is your blueberry detoxifying face mask. Hope you enjoy.
Let's talk about why we love the ingredients in this mask and why it's so fantastic. So the blueberries are an antioxidant, which is really great for the skin. The lemon has tons of vitamin C, so it's really great for brightening. The cucumber juice is really nice for hydration and calming the skin, where the baking soda is an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, so it'll help reduce acne, which is really fantastic. So that makes for this awesome blueberry face mask. So let's get it on. So in consistency, it's super watery. So not like, your typical face mask, but we made it here at home. It was super easy to make, and we know all the ingredients going in and why it's so good. So I'm just gonna lather this on. You can see it has like a little blue tint. It will get a little messy, and that's okay. But let's just get that on the skin. After we get this on, we're gonna leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just let all those properties work into the skin. It's gonna give you a little bit of a blue hue, which is fine. Just gonna wash it all off. It'll come off super fine. You can definitely smell that cucumber. That is the strongest ingredient scent-wise in here. Oh my god, it's dripping all over my hand. Ah! I'm trying to work that in. It is really wet, guys, but I'm trying to get as much of it as possible on my face and not on the floor. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna let that sit on my face for 15 to 20 minutes, and I will be back. Hey guys, welcome back. So I had to change my shirt because I noticed I got a little bit of the mask all over myself. But I did take the mask off, and my skin feels really nice and clean and refreshed. Must be all those great ingredients. Alright guys, thanks for watching.
And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys soon.